Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable confirm when coded dial TX on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the menu, now select the function settings, and here we need to select the send. Now go to common settings, and here you have confirm when coded dial TX, and we can enable it or disable it just by clicking on either the on or off option, and it's totally up to you. You guys need to check it out and let me know in the comments which option do you use. I use it as off, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.